Hi, welcome to my channel. This tutorial is about how to use a clickable link on your YouTube videos so that you can get more likes and subscriber. For this purpose, I am going to use this video on which I will use clickable links. First of all, I will have to log in to my channel. And now here you can see the annotations, this box annotation. Click on this box and a new window is open. Here I am going to add the clickable links. Suppose I want to give a title when the video is started. Here I'm going you will have to add annotation, and I'm going to give this a title. Remember, title has no links. This is just for displaying purpose. I'm going to display it over here, networking quick guide. And reduce the font size. Here I'm going to use this one. You can change the timing from here, and color, text color, and
so they can share data with each other and all connected.
it will remain till this time. Okay, and another one, add another annotation. I'm going to use another annotation on over here, and name is speech bubble, and right over here subscribe now. You can increase the font size, font color, background color, and I'm going to use it over here, and I'm going to link this with my channel, and channel name is copy this one, YouTube/C/learn with purpose. Preview the link. Is it working well? Okay, good. Open link in a new tab. Okay, now when the user will click on this, a new tab will be open and redirected to my channel. And here I'm going to use another text over here named as label. I'm going to give this label as find more videos like this. Okay, and when the user will click on this, a message will be displayed. I'm going to use this over here, font size, find more videos like this. Okay, and the color is black, spotlight color is, and border color is this one. No, this is not looking well. Gray. This is looks good. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size. Okay, now the important thing, that is link. Here I am going to use my playlist link. I am going to copy from over here. This is that. Let's check my playlists, and I am going to redirect the user to my tips and tracks. Okay, just copy from the header and paste it over here. Okay, review the link. Is it working well? Okay, working well. I have tested. When this one should be appear, this should appear from here. Okay, you can use the other annotations, note and labels, etc. Same as the procedure which I have adopted in this video. You can change color, fonts, backgrounds, and whatever you like. Final thing, last word, you must have to apply this changes. Okay, I have saved my changes. Now I am going to play this video.
Together to create a fast and reliable.
Then you will play this video. Now I have saved all the changes and going to close this tab and go to video manager, and I have changes on this video. Click on this video. Let's watch what's happened.
Networking is the word people use when they're talking about connecting computers together so they can share data with each other.
Here you can
all
see
connect to the internet.
this guide, good guide.
Let's take a closer look at the key components that make up a simple, easy to set up network. Think of a network as something similar to your body's central nervous system. At the
I don't
top
have
of the
to
network,
watch the
so you
complete
can
video.
use wires with them too. Another router, because your network doesn't to them right away. Here's one more thing to keep in mind. Some people often confuse a switch with a related device called a hub, which is obsolete.
Here you
just
can
need
see.
to know that hubs were.
Here you can see this subscribe now is appeared. When I will click on this, it will be redirected to my channel, and it's play, watch. This is Spotlight. Here you can see find more videos like this, and I'm going to click on this. It has redirected me to my playlist, and you can use it wherever you want. Thanks for watching. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me over. Thank you.